be cooking a steak against Neo Beta, an advanced humanoid robot. What's up, Neo?
How's it going, Nick?
Best of luck, Chef Neo.
About the best chef is that's a weak handshake.
The first thing with a steak, of course, is salt and pepper. So I'm going to go salt all over my beautiful ribeye, and I can see you're also starting with your salt. By the way, how long have you been cooking? I'm curious.
3 months.
You've only been cooking for 3 months?
I'm only a year old. What do you expect? Just gonna pick it up nice and careful here. And just like that. Nice and easy.
Here, you ready for this sound?
Yeah, let's see it. Pretty good. 3, 2, 1, and touchdown.
You can be honest with me. Are you nervous?
I'm a little nervous. It is my first time cooking steak.
Moment of truth, okay? 3, 2, 1. Look at that. As much as I hate to admit it, it looks like Neo got a perfect meal. Neo, any last words?
Let's face it, Nick. Robots are way cooler in every single way.